Now you know it very well. There are different kind of methods for learning English. There are different kind of methods for speaking English. But you are little bit busy or you don't have time. You can learn English. You are thinking today I will learn English, but you are saying that I don't have time today. I will do it tomorrow. I will learn English tomorrow. So tomorrow never comes, right? You are thinking the same thing and you are feeling the same problem every day. So in this video I'm going to share with you some most important methods. If you follow these most important methods, I think you can speak English fluently and you can say English little bit more than today. Our first method is social media. Every person have social media. Even I have social media, you have social media, right? When you talk with your friends, with your girlfriends, with your uncle, with your father, with your mother, or using social media like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and like many kinds of social media is available online, right? Especially when you use Facebook or Messenger, try to send a voice, try to send a audio with your friends all the time. Never text, never write short sentence, never write sentence. When you will write sentence, you can't speak English. When you'll try to send an audio, when you'll try to send a voice, then you can speak English. So at the first time it will be very hard. You can speak English fluently. When you'll try day by day, every day, it will be more than easy. Okay, it will be more easy. So next method is song. All time we listen different kind of song. There are different kind of song is available online, but we listen Bengali song all the time. And because Bengali is my mother tongue, that's why we listen Bengali song. But you have a dream, you have a goal, you want to learn English, you want to learn English. So if you listen Bengali song, how you will learn English, how you will speak English? So you have to make a habit for listening English song. So try to listening English song every day. When you'll bored, try to listen English song and try to make a habit listening song is very difficult to understanding English. So when you will listen, it will be more than hard, and if you listen every day, it will be easy day by day. Next method is TV shows. We always watch TV shows, different kind of TV shows with our family member, with our friends, and we have a habit watching TV shows, right? And I think you are watching the Bengali TV shows and you are watching Bengali cartoon video, Bengali movie. It's a bad habit for you because you are learning English, you are trying to learn English, you have a dream, you have a goal for learning English. You have to change this habit. You have to make a habit for listening and watch, listen and watch English shows, English cartoon video, English watch. So next method is news. You can watch English news in your home. At the first time you don't understand English news because it's so hard, its pronunciation is so hard. When you will watch the news every day, after watching that, it will be more than easy for you. So try to make this habit. This is the another method for learning English. My dear viewers, that's all today, and I told you there are different kind of methods for learning English, for speaking English. If you follow this kind of methods for speaking English, I think you can speak English fluently within some days, but you have to follow every single day this kind of methods. Okay, so from the Natural Studio, again I would like to thanks all the viewers, and at the last time I would like to say that don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and to share with your friends if you get the benefit. Okay, and try to invite with your other friends to get the benefit. Okay, my dear viewers, thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you again. Allah Hafiz.